Time for some barbecue rib time. There we go. 7 ribs. Time for some seasoning. A little more seasoning. Rub that in.
What's your seasoning? Material stick?
Yep, both. Okay,
Supper?
we'll turn up the heat. And let them cook. Okay, we're going to turn the ribs over.
Look good.
Nice beef ribs.
Really big.
There we go.
And
We'll put some seasoning.
seasonings. They're gonna get you.
That's okay, I don't know.
Why you don't know?
There we go, more seasoning.
I drop your
That's okay.
things.
There. Side number 2. Yeah, we close.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see how they're doing. Oh, there we go. Turn them on the side if we can. There. How's that look?
Looks good.
Looks good.
Almost.
Oh, that one's gonna stay. That one might not stay. There we go. There.
Perfect. You can turn again later.
Beef ribs.
Still. Bye. Cancel.
One more turn. The ribs.
I get closer and see it. Hi guys, right there.
There we go. Looking good.
Yeah, looking good. Look at that. You can turn.
Okay, more heat. Almost done. Okay, the ribs are done.
You're blocking the plate.
Let's see if I get them all on the plate
Oh,
first.
yeah.
There. Okay, we're gonna go inside and eat. Turn this off. There, we're done.
Okay, bye-bye. What is this? No
No.
rice, no.
Okay, here's our ribs. Which one you want? You want this one?
Yeah.
Okay. One big rib,
It's no rice.
another big
Look
rib,
at it. What is this?
nice and hot.
Get chairs.
Yep. Cheers. Oh, that's good.
So good. Mm. But no rice, no. No potato.
Rice later, beef first. Beef is life.
That's so good.
Yep. Nice and juicy. Oh yeah.
Your hair, like
And good and cooked.
too hot.
Mmm.
Mukbang. How much is this for?
Good, tasty.
I like the seasoning.
All of this was $30, $32.
Not bad. It's a good meat.
Lots of meat.
I think we call this a prime rib.
No, not prime rib. Just beef ribs.
It's not hard meat.
Done up barbecue style.
Tastes good.
You almost don't eat anything else. Just ribs. Like I said, beef is life.
That's big bones. But you have lots of meat.
All Canadian beef is good. Okay, guys.
Bye-bye, guys.
Thanks for watching the beef video. See you next time.
I swear. Oops. There I go.